Hey guys, Papa Faff here with another Funko Pop Mystery Box unboxing. Today we have the Mystery Grail box. This is basically by $7 a pop. And I have 4 of them in here, and it took 6 days to get here. I've been very excited about it, even though the odds of, getting a Grail are pretty slim. But I'm very much looking forward to unboxing these. Now, this is my first time getting these, but I have seen other people unbox these kinds of boxes on YouTube. So there should be 4 separate boxes in here, and each one will have like a flap. When you open the box, it'll have a flap hiding the pop inside, so that it is indeed a mystery. So this is the box. Pretty cool, kind of similar to like a Loot Crate box in a way. Here, let me move this. There is 1 pop per box, and then each box will also have a scratch card where you can scratch it off and win other prizes. I'd say 9 times out of 10 you will just earn points that you can redeem for stuff on their site. But there's also potential for winning other things like gift cards, special pops, or I don't know what all the prizes could be technically, but each one of these does have a strip of tape, so I'm going to go ahead and slice them all open, and then we will get to the unboxing. Alright, they are all open. If you happen to pull what's considered a Grail, it will have a star-shaped, basically post-it note on top of it. And so I'll show it to the camera, and then I'm going to reach in without looking and feel, and if there is one of those stars on there, I'm going to save it to last. So, as you can see, it's a little flap, so you will lift this up. So I'm going to lift it. I can't see a thing, but I'm going to feel. Okay, so this one is not a Grail. So hopefully you guys can see that. I can't see it. And what did we get? Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. We got the Kool-Aid Man. Not a Grail, but that's a really cool pop. Oh yeah, each one comes with candy. I don't think I mentioned that. So we got us a sugar daddy, which is pretty cool because usually it's like gum or Tootsie Rolls. And then here is the scratch card. So you can get tokens for the site or an instant win prize. So I will scratch these at the end of the video and see what we get. So first one, Kool-Aid Man. Just a common, but at least it's a cool common. Alright, so we're going to go on to the next one. Same thing. And okay, so we did not hit a Grail, but we got our scratch card. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, again, just a common. Where's my candy? There's my candy. Okay, so we got Mugatu from Zoolander. Will Ferrell. That's all right. That's all right. Okay, moving on to the next one. All right, next one, number 3. Let's get a Grail. All right, I can't see it. I can't see it. It is not a Grail. Scratch card. I did not go into this expecting to hit a Grail, so as long as we keep getting pops that are at least cool, I'm good with it. 3, 2, 1. Not so cool on that one. Not so cool on that one. Now, I do like Harry Potter, but there are a million Harry Potter pops, and I have no interest in them. So this is, I can't even remember how you say her name, Fleur Delacour. From, I want to say, Goblet of Fire. I think she's from Goblet of Fire. But yeah, I don't think that one's really worth anything. All right, lucky number 4. This is the last one. Lucky number 4. All right, I can't see. I can't see. I have a feeling it's gonna be a dud. It's a dud. Okay, what is it? 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's a Tom Hanks character. Give me my candy. Okay, so we didn't hit a Grail. Didn't expect to. But, so this is Jimmy from A League of Their Own. That is the character that Tom Hanks plays, I believe. I actually have not seen this movie. Probably never will. Not really one I'm interested in. But let's check some values here. I think they're all just pretty much going to be retail. Let's start with the Harry Potter. Fleur Delacour. As always, I'm using the HobbyDB Vision app. So when you scan a pop, it takes you directly to their website, which is essentially PPG at this point. Yeah, it's about what I expected for anything from Harry Potter. $5. So that was not a good pull. Let's do the Kool-Aid Man, because he's fairly recent. So he's probably, I mean, it's a really cool pop. If it isn't up in value at all by now, I think it will eventually go up in value, because it is really cool and unique. So right now, the Kool-Aid Man is coming in at $12 retail. Mugatu. Let's do a Mugatu. He is coming in at, wow, that is almost unbelievable. So there is a chase version of this as well, and the chase is only worth $16. Mugatu, I guess, is, yikes, $3. $3. All right, save me, Tom Hanks. So, A League of Their Own, Jimmy is worth probably nothing. $7. So, I took a tremendous loss on these. But we're not done quite yet. We have 4 scratch cards. So there's still hope. Let me see here. Use this. First one, 200 tokens, which is the lowest thing you can get on these. Yikes. 200 tokens. What are you doing to me, Mystery Grail? $200 tokens. You're killing me, Mystery Grail. You do not seem to want my business again. Okay. 1,000 tokens. That's a little better. But still, I took a big loss on those. And makes me question if I am gonna go for those again, because there's potential for big loss, and I took a big loss. But anyway, okay, so that was Mystery Grail, and it was a disappointing first attempt. But that's how these things go. You don't always win. It's gambling, essentially. So, that's all I have for you today. As of right now, that's all the mystery boxes that I've had ordered. I will be ordering more. I'm just not sure when. But I will be trying to come up with some more Funko content for the channel. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.